Hi, my name is Robert T, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Web 2.0 tool, KidBlog. So first you go to kidblog.org, and you should get to a home page that looks like this. You'll go to create account or you log in. I created my account using my Gmail. You can use your student email or your teacher email. Right here you see all my classes. So far I only created one class. I'm going to show you guys how to create a new class. You go to create a new class, you type in your class. I'm going to do Coach Rob's class. Because I'll be a PE coach, my students will call me Coach Rob. I'll make this one for my first period PE class. Then you'll click create the class. So next you'll go down and you can open up when you want to. Then you click create new post. It should pop up like this. So this unit for my students will be badminton. So I'll type in for the title badminton. And as my header, I will add a header image. And I will go to my computer to upload one. But first, to find an image, I just went to Google personally, and I just put in badminton and put that, and then clicked on images, and then just found a picture about it. You can just do this one, and I saved it to my computer. And I just saved it to my computer, and it's saved. So when you go back, you go to choose the file, and then you go back and you click this one, badminton, and it should be uploading. Upload is complete. So next, it's going to ask you on the side to insert it, and you insert it. So I put this picture right here, so when my students go, they know because we're doing the unit of badminton, they know to click on this post specifically. So at the bottom in the comment area, I am going to input good morning, class. And this is the assignment I'm going to put. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So today we'll be starting our third unit on badminton. Here's the assignment. So first you need to research the history of badminton, the rules of badminton, equipment needed, and fun facts. I'm also going to add that they need to comment on two other students' posts. Okay? And at the bottom, I put the due date. So it'll be due today at 8 p.m. You can go back to the bottom. You can change the color of the background if you want to, depending on what theme you want to go to. And you can change the texture. If you're fine with that without changing it, you can publish it. So with this point, you're going to decide either to pin it to the top of your page if you want to. And you're going to choose your audience. And this is very, very important, because this depends on whether your students see it or not. So if you click teacher, then you are the only person that can actually see it. If you click classmates, that means your entire class can see it. So I'm going to post this because I want my entire class to see it, so you know their assignment is up. So you're going to go to publish. It has been posted and published. I'm going to go back, and it should already be updated. And I'm going to go to back to this class. And I'm going to show you how to change the avatar. So for me, I will change my avatar every time we have a different unit, just to get the kids accumulated and for the kids to know that we're starting a new unit. So you go to avatars right here, and they have different faces, and I will change mine because it's just fun to change them. So you can change to whatever you want to. If I was doing basketball or anything like that, I'll change to basketball. If I was doing golf, we'll be doing golf right there. It's all up to you and what you want to do. But that's the way to change it. So let me change mine to the racket because we're doing badminton. Right here, you have the class URL, so you'll give this URL to your students, or you can do the QR code. I personally think the QR code is easier because they can walk past it on their phones and just take a picture of it or hold it, and it'll pop up for them. Or you can always just send them the link in class or before class. It's up to you. I think that I will use this personally. Every Monday, I will have my students do an online assignment like this one and have them post and comment. Just put an assignment up here, and because it's due at 8 o'clock, they have time to do it. And all they do is go down to the bottom and leave a comment right here. And they put in their comment and answer the question. And they can say, I love this sport, or whatever the assignment is, put the due dates and put in the dates that the sport was found or anything like that. But make sure your students do not click private because then nobody else will see it. And the point of this tool is for all the students to see, and they can actually collaborate and communicate what they have found and research. And they press comment. Right here at the bottom, if they comment, you can see what time they turned in. So when it comes to grading, you can see the time that the assignment was turned in. And then you can always go back and edit your post if you miss something or you need to add in something. So you just go update it and click update to do it, and make sure you always click publish to class. I personally love this tool because it allows all your students to actually communicate and they can actually learn more. And I think that is a great idea to actually have a research question and include computers in class because technology is becoming a big thing. And I want all my students to become natives with technology and to know how to use technology very, very well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you use KidBlog one day because it is very effective as a teacher.